What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This is the Dalmo sensor kitchen faucet. Right now I got it on manual mode because the battery is dead. Now I'm gonna show you how can you know or tell if the battery is dying on this or not. Right now it's on manual mode. That's hot water, cold water. They do not sell this brand no more as we speak. I got this from Amazon for $100. Maybe the reason why, because you see right here, look how this is peeling. You see how it's peeling? So be wary of that. If this brand come back on Amazon, just beware. So this is Dalmo. All right, so this has two sprayers to it. Got the shower, single spray. Then you got the pull down. You can stop it with the button right here. Right now I'm ready to show you the fun part. We are going to go and change the battery. Okay, you guys, so we down here under the sink. This product came with the hot water line, the cold water line, and the extension to go ahead and pull down your faucet. And this is the mechanism, the box that makes everything happen. So we have, of course, this is where our main water, this is our sensor right here. And this bottom part is the part that connects to the middle part of the sink right here. All right, so now this is the batteries. Some units come with the 110 volts, the 110 volt plug-in, so you don't have to use batteries, but this unit didn't come with it. So we're gonna take these batteries out, but right before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all how can you tell that your unit is out of battery. So right here, you see this right here, it says turn knob completely counterclockwise to use faucet in manual mode. So we already did that. We already in manual mode. So let me go, is this clockwise or counterclockwise? I gotta look upside down. Let me see if that was the right way, because I don't even know, because I'm not upside down. So you turn that on, and that's how you can tell if the battery's dead. You see that? So that's how you tell if the battery's dead. Now y'all about to see me replace the batteries, and then you're gonna see it work. Okay, you guys, I just changed the batteries and I put the cover plate back on, and now we're ready to test it out. All right, for the moment of truth. You see, we got the water on, but it don't work unless you put your hand in front. All right, that's it. That's how you can tell if your battery's dying on your sensor kitchen faucet. That's it with this review. So like I said, they're not selling this one no more, but if you do, oh, there I go. Of course, you could turn that off so it won't come back on. So, also with this, it's a 3-minute timer on there. I think it's like 3 minutes, but if I would leave this on and hit the sensor, the sink will not fill up. So other than that, that's the end of this review, and I will catch y'all on the next review.